The WIN50 electric roller provides a reliable solution for the production of automotive lithium batteries through efficient transmission and precise control. WIN50 has the characteristics of high load, low energy consumption and fast dynamic response, and has been widely used in a number of new energy lithium battery industry projects. Compared with other industries, the environment and working conditions in the battery manufacturing process have their special features in order to solve the pain points of the industry and ensure the smooth, safe and reliable manufacturing process of the battery. The 304 stainless steel cylinder is used with nylon sleeve, which is solid and durable, high strength, high temperature resistance and oxidation resistance. Adopt DC24V50W high efficiency brushless permanent magnet motor. Line speed 13 m/min, noise less than 60 dB, load up to 400 kilograms. The aluminum alloy multi-wedge belt wheel has better thermal conductivity than the plastic wheel, can dissipate heat more effectively, and is not easy to wear. Prolong the service life of electric roller and rubber multi-wedge belt. The movement of the electric roller and the steel pipe are connected without rivets. Under various complex working conditions such as high speed, high temperature and high torque, it maintains good bearing capacity and anti-sliding performance, and effectively avoids the slipping of parts. WIN50 electric roller provides a reliable driving method and flexible solutions for the production and development of the new energy industry.